I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word Tip. In a recent Word Tip video, I covered how to add items to the Quick Access Toolbar. Now it's time to explore how to modify this useful toolbar, or how to get rid of it should you find it to be less than useful. Behold the Quick Access Toolbar.
I hate it. It gets in the way.
Hey, hold that ray gun. You could easily move the Quick Access Toolbar. From the Quick Access Toolbar menu button, choose Show Below Ribbon. There. Much more room down here. It's out of the way of the top of the window, which I feel is crowded anyway, and there's plenty of room for expansion and customization. Is this better?
No.
Well, okay.
I want it destroyed completely.
Well, I appreciate your urgency. From the same menu, which is down here, choose More Commands.
I do not want more commands.
Patience, my alien friend.
We are not friends.
Okay, well, just watch. Here in the Word Options dialog box, this is where you can add items to the toolbar, which I demonstrated in another video, not doing it now. But look at this area. You set the toolbar's position from this menu, above or below the ribbon. To banish the toolbar, uncheck this box. Click OK, and it's gone.
Excellent, Humian. This trick saves me the trouble of eliminating you. And the battery in my blaster is low.
You're welcome?
Hey, I like the Quick Access Toolbar.
Well, thank you. I find it useful myself.
What other tricks can you do?
Well, I'm happy to show you. First, let's get the toolbar back. Click the File tab. Choose Options. Quick Access Toolbar. Show it again. And I like it above the ribbon. Okay.
Neato, thanks.
Now to organize these icons, you can click the File tab, choose Options again. You kind of know the routine by now, Quick Access Toolbar. Now reorder them using this part of the dialog box. Select an icon to shuffle. Use these buttons to move it up and down, changing the order. This button removes the selected icon, but I can show you an easier trick, which I'll do later. Now, important, the separator icon can help you organize the Quick Access Toolbar. Add the separator. Now, you can move it up or down and use it to organize these items. So say I just want to put the items that I added off in an area by themselves. That's how it would look with the separator icon. Click OK, and here's how it appears on the toolbar. Here's the separator, which helps keep things neat and tidy.
And the quick way to remove something?
Well, the secret quick way to remove something is to right-click on it. Right-click and choose Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. And it's gone. Now, you can't use this trick to remove the separator, but there is a shortcut. Right-click on the toolbar and choose Customize Quick Access Toolbar. And I can remove it here, select it, remove, and it's gone.
I truly appreciate these tricks.
You're well. Hey, what's happening to your voice?
Puberty.
Many more word tips are found in my word books.